Today, I am reviewing WVX R9-6900HX 16-inch gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The WVX R9-6900HX is a compelling choice for anyone looking for a high-performance laptop that blends power, portability, and premium features. Right from the start, its sleek silver design stands out, giving it a modern and professional look that feels as good as it performs. At the heart of this laptop is the AMD R9-6900HX processor, an 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse that runs up to 4.9 GHz. This CPU delivers remarkable performance for multitasking, gaming, and creative work, making it ideal for users who demand both speed and efficiency. Whether you're running heavy software for design, video editing, or high-performance gaming, this laptop keeps up without lag or stutter. The integrated AMD Radeon 680M graphics add another layer of capability, offering performance comparable to discrete GPUs like the GTX 1050 Ti. This means the WVX R9-6900HX can handle a wide range of games and graphic-intensive applications with ease while maintaining smooth frame rates and crisp visuals. It's not just about gaming. This laptop is well-suited for creative professionals, students, and business users who need a dependable machine for design, streaming, and multitasking. One of the standout features of this laptop is its DDR5 memory. With 16 GB installed and the ability to upgrade up to 64 GB, it provides significant performance benefits over older DDR4 systems. DDR5 offers a 50% increase in memory frequency while consuming less power, which means faster rendering speeds, smoother gaming, and improved efficiency overall. Coupled with a 512 GB PCIe SSD, this laptop ensures lightning-fast boot times, quick application launches, and plenty of storage for large files, with the option to expand storage up to 2 TB in the future. The WVX R9-6900HX features a 16-inch 2K IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. The screen delivers sharp visuals with vibrant colors and excellent clarity, making it perfect for immersive gaming, multimedia, and professional work. The wide viewing angles provided by IPS technology enhance the experience, whether you're working on detailed projects or enjoying media. With a thin bezel design and a brightness rating that delivers a crisp, clear picture even in well-lit environments, this display elevates the laptop's appeal for both work and play. Connectivity is another strong point. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 technology offers data transfer speeds up to 9.6 gigabits per second, which is 173% faster than Wi-Fi 5, ensuring lag-free online gaming, seamless video calls, and rapid file transfers. Bluetooth 5.2 further extends connectivity options for wireless devices, while the multiple USB ports, HDMI output, and Ethernet port give you versatile connectivity for various accessories and external devices. Security and convenience are also thoughtfully addressed. The WVX laptop comes with a built-in fingerprint reader, enabling fast, secure access without the hassle of typing passwords. It also includes HD audio and a numeric keypad, enhancing both productivity and entertainment experiences. The backlit keyboard makes typing in low light easy and comfortable, and the overall build quality feels robust and durable without being overly heavy. Battery life is decent, with the laptop featuring a lithium polymer battery that provides sufficient power for daily tasks and moderate gaming sessions. With its sleek design, advanced cooling system, and professional-grade performance, the WVX R9-6900HX strikes an impressive balance between style, power, and usability. Whether for gaming, business, or creative work, this laptop delivers reliable performance with plenty of room for upgrades in the future. For those looking for a powerful, future-proof laptop with solid graphics, exceptional performance, and strong connectivity options, the WVX R9-6900HX is a standout option. It combines AMD's latest technology with thoughtful design to create a machine that handles demanding workloads while remaining portable and stylish. This is more than just a laptop. It's a powerful tool built to meet the needs of modern users across gaming, productivity, and creative workflows.